At PENTU, the journey of paper begins with sustainable timber, harvested with precision and care.
Every log is meticulously cleaned and inspected, ensuring only the highest quality fibers move forward. Uniform and purified, these wood chips are now ready to be transformed into liquid gold, the paper pulp. Inside these massive digesters, heat and chemistry break wood down into its core element. Reaches its signature PENTU brilliance. The liquid fiber is now ready to take its final form, entering the heart of the PENTU papermaking machine. In a fraction of a second,
Now a cohesive sheet, the paper is transferred to absorbent felts.
with the water removed, the sheet now enters the drying phase, where intense heat will fold to bricks. The sheet now passes through dozens of heat-feeding moisture.
Ensuring that every sheet of PENTU paper
With the drying and smoothing complete, the paper is now wound into massive master rolls, ready for the final cut. Precision slitting ensures every roll meets exact specifications, whether destined for large-scale. The paper moves at high velocity, guided by these finishing rolls towards the high-speed rotary knife. From a single timber log to thousands of precision-cut sheets, the PENTU process ensures transport. From the heart of the forest to the global marketplace, PENTU delivers quality you can trust, one sheet at a time.